Time and temperature. Topics covered: the 24-hour clock, clock with 3 hands, conversion of time, converting lower units into higher units, addition and subtraction of time, duration of an activity, measurement of temperature, atmospheric temperature, body temperature. The 24-hour clock. We generally use the 12-hour clock to measure time. However, railways, shipping lines, air services, defense forces, and television networks throughout the world use the 24-hour clock. Look at the 24-hour clock shown below. Let us study the time shown by both types of clocks: 12-hour table clock, digital clock, 24-hour table clock. The following table also shows the 12-hour clock time and the corresponding 24-hour clock time. 12-hour clock time, 24-hour clock time. 12 midnight, 0000 hours or 2400 hours. 0:20 am, 0020 hours. 2 am, 0200 hours. 6:30 am, 0630 hours. 12 noon, 1200 hours. 12-hour clock time, 24-hour clock time. 12:01 pm, 12:01 hours. 2 pm, 1400 hours. 6:35 pm, 1835 hours. 12 midnight, 2400 hours. To convert 24-hour clock time to 12-hour clock time, Rule 1. Time from midnight 0000 hours to 1200 noon. If the number formed by the first two digits from the left of a 24-hour clock time is less than 12, then it denotes the number of hours before noon, and so AM is to be used with it. Example: A bit 0715 hours denotes 7:15 AM. B bit 1045 hours denotes 10:45 AM. Rule 2. 1200 hours denotes 12 noon. Rule 3. Time from 12:01 to 12:59 hours if the number formed by the first two digits from the left of a 24-hour clock time is 12 other than 1200, then PM is to be used with it. Example: A bit 1205 hours denotes 12:05 pm. B bit 1235 hours denotes 12:35 pm. Rule 4. Time from 1300 hours to 2400 hours. If the number formed by the first two digits from the left of a 24-hour clock time is 13 or more, then the difference between the number and 12 gives the number of hours in PM is to be used with it. Example: A bit 1305 hours denotes 15 PM. B bit 1855 hours denotes 6:55 PM. C bit 2400 hours denotes 12 midnight. Example: write the following in terms of AM or PM or noon or midnight. Solution: using the rules for converting 24-hour clock time to 12-hour clock time, we have: A bit 1415 hours equals to 2:15 PM. B bit 0725 hours equals to 7:25 AM. C bit 1200 hours equals to 12 noon. D bit 2400 hours equals to 12 midnight. Tidbit: in 1400 hours, we subtract 12 from 14, hence we get 2 pm. Clock with 3 hands. The clock shown has 3 hands. Apart from the hour and the minute hand, the third hand is thinner than the hour and minute hand, called the second hand. It moves much faster than the other 2 hands. It moves between 2 successive small divisions, which is called 1 second, it completes one round in 60 seconds. Therefore, 60 seconds equals to 1 minute. Conversion of time. We can convert the time from one unit into another as shown in below table. 1 hour equals to 60 minutes, 1 day equals to 24 hours, 1 fortnight equals to 2 weeks equals to 14 days, 1 year equals to 365 days, 1 minute equals to 60 seconds, 1 week equals to 7 days, 1 year equals to 12 months, 1 leap year equals to 366 days. Converting lower units into higher units. Example, convert the following. A bit. 5 days into hours. Solution. We know that 1 day equals to 24 hours. 5 days equals to 5 into 24 hours equals to 120 hours. B bit. 4 days 22 hours into hours. 4 days 22 hours equals to 4 days plus 22 hours equals to 4 into 24 hours plus 22 hours equals to 96 hours plus 22 hours equals to 118 hours, since 1 day equals to 24 hours. Example, convert the following. A bit. 16 hours into minutes. Solution. We have 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. Therefore, 16 hours equals to 16 into 60 minutes equals to 960 minutes. B bit. 6 hours 38 minutes into minutes. 6 hours 38 minutes equals to 6 hours plus 38 minutes equals to 6 into 60 minutes plus 38 minutes, since 1 hour equals to 60 minutes equals to 360 minutes plus 38 minutes equals to 398 minutes. Example, convert the following. A bit. 25 minutes into seconds. Solution. 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. Therefore, 25 minutes equals to 25 into 60 seconds equals to 1500 seconds. B bit. 12 minutes 36 seconds into seconds. 12 minutes 36 seconds equals to 12 minutes plus 36 seconds equals to 12 into 60 seconds plus 36 seconds, since 1 minute equals to 60 seconds equals to 720 seconds plus 36 seconds equals to 756 seconds. Example, convert the following. A bit. 7 years 9 months into months. Solution. We have 7 years 9 months equals to 7 years plus 9 months. 7 into 12 months plus 9 months, since 1 year equals to 12 months equals to 84 months plus 9 months equals to 93 months. B bit. 3 weeks 6 days into days. 3 weeks 6 days equals to 3 weeks plus 6 days equals to 3 into 7 days plus 6 days, since 1 week equals to 7 days equals to 21 days plus 6 days equals to 27 days. Converting lower units into higher units. Example, convert the following. A bit. 876 minutes into hours and minutes. Solution. We know that A bit. 60 minutes equals to 1 hour. Therefore, 876 minutes equals to 876 divided by 60 hours. So 876 minutes equals to 14 hours 36 minutes. B bit. 3, 4, 5, 6 seconds into minutes and seconds. We know that 60 seconds equals to 1 minute. Therefore, 3456 seconds equals to 3456 divided by 60 seconds equals to 57 minutes 36 seconds. Hence, 3456 seconds equals to 57 minutes 36 seconds. C-bit 476 hours into days and hours. We know that 24 hours equals to 1 day. Therefore, 476 hours equals to 476 divided by 24 days equals to 19 days 20 hours. Hence, 476 hours equals to 19 days 20 hours. D-bit 264 days into weeks and days. We know that 7 days equals to 1 week. Therefore, 264 days equals to 264 divided by 7 weeks equals to 37 weeks 5 days. Hence, 264 days equals to 37 weeks 5 days. Addition and subtraction of time. Example, add 4 hours 12 minutes and 6 hours 24 minutes. Solution. Step 1. Adding minutes. 12 minutes plus 24 minutes equals to 36 minutes. Write 36 under minutes column. Step 2. Adding hours. 4 hours plus 6 hours equals to 10 hours. Write 10 under hours column. Therefore, 4 hours 12 minutes plus 6 hours 24 minutes equals to 10 hours 36 minutes. Example, add 12 minutes 26 seconds and 8 minutes 57 seconds. Solution. Step 1. Adding seconds. 26 seconds plus 57 seconds equals to 83 seconds equals to 60 seconds plus 23 seconds equals to 1 minute plus 23 seconds. Write 23 under seconds column. Carry over 1 to minutes column. Step 2. Adding minutes. 1 minute carried over plus 12 minutes plus 8 minutes equals to 21 minutes. Write 21 under minutes column. Therefore, 12 minutes 26 seconds plus 8 minutes 57 seconds equals to 21 minutes 23 seconds. Example, subtract 2 hours 44 minutes from 7 hours 52 minutes. Solution. Step 1. Subtracting minutes. 52 minutes minus 44 minutes equals to 8 minutes. Write 8 under minutes column. Step 2. Subtracting hours. 7 hours minus 2 hours equals to 5 hours. Therefore, 7 hours 52 minutes minus 2 hours 44 minutes equals to 5 hours 8 minutes. Examples. Subtract 5 hours 48 minutes from 13 hours 39 minutes. Solution. Step 1. Subtracting minutes. We cannot subtract 48 minutes from 39 minutes. So we borrow 1 hour leaving behind 12 hours. Now 60 minutes plus 39 minutes equals to 99 minutes. Therefore, 99 minutes minus 48 minutes equals to 51 minutes. Write 51 under minutes column. Step 2. Subtracting hours. 12 hours minus 5 hours equals to 7 hours. Write 7 under hours column. Therefore, 13 hours 39 minutes minus 5 hours 48 minutes equals to 7 hours 51 minutes. Example, what time will it be 5 hours 25 minutes after 5:45 p.m.? Solution. We know that 5:45 p.m. means 17:45 hours. 17 hours 45 minutes. Add 5 hours 25 minutes to 17 hours 45 minutes. Adding minutes. 45 minutes plus 25 minutes equals to 70 minutes equals to 60 minutes plus 10 minutes equals to 1 hour plus 10 minutes. Write 10 under minutes column. Carry over 1 to hours column. Adding hours. 1 hour carried over plus 17 hours plus 5 hours equals to 23 hours. Write 23 under hours column. Therefore, required time equals to 23 hours 10 minutes equals to 23 10 hours. equals to 11:10 pm. Hence, the time 5 hours 25 minutes after 5:45 pm is 11:10 pm. Example, find the interval between 9:35 am and 3:50 pm. Solution. First, convert 3:50 pm into hours. 3:50 pm means 15:50 hours equals to 15 hours 50 minutes. Now, convert 9:35 am into hours. 9:35 am means 0935 hours equals to 9 hours 35 minutes. Now, subtract 9 hours 35 minutes from 15 hours 50 minutes. Subtracting minutes. 50 minutes minus 35 minutes equals to 15 minutes. Write 15 under minutes column. Subtracting hours. 15 hours minus 9 hours equals to 6 hours. Write 6 under hours column. Hence, the required time is 6 hours 15 minutes. Duration of an activity. Example, Ronak leaves home at 6:45 am for school picnic and came back home at 7:20 pm. How long was he out for picnic? Solution. Time from 6:45 am to 12 noon. Time from 12 noon to 7:20 pm equals to 7 hours 20 minutes. Therefore, total time from 6:45 am to 7:20 pm equals to 5 hours 15 minutes plus 7 hours 20 minutes. Therefore, Ronak was out for 12 hours 35 minutes. Example, Perth's school starts at 7:30 am and closes at 2:45 pm. Find the working hours of the school. Solution. Closing time of the school equals to 2:45 pm equals to 14:45 hours. Opening time of the school equals to 7:30 am equals to 0730 hours. Working hours of the school equals to 14:45 hours minus 0730 hours. Therefore, working hours of the school are 7 hours 15 minutes. Example, an aeroplane leaves Delhi at 0450 hours. It arrives at Mumbai at 0705 hours. How long does it take from Delhi to Mumbai? Solution. Arrival time at Mumbai 0705 equals to 7 hours 5 minutes. Departure time from Delhi 0450 equals to 4 hours 50 minutes. Borrow 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. 60 plus 5 minus 50 equals to 15 minutes. The aeroplane takes 2 hours 15 minutes from Delhi to Mumbai. Example, a bus left Delhi at 11:45 am. It reached Jaipur at 4:20 pm. Find the duration of the journey. Solution. Duration 11:45 to 12 noon equals to 15 minutes. Duration from 12 noon to 4:20 pm equals to 4 hours 20 minutes. Total duration equals to 4 hours 20 minutes plus 15 minutes equals to 4 hours 35 minutes. Example, Rihanna joined Victor Public School on 15 July 2014 and left it on 31st March 2018. How long did she study in that school? Solution. Period from 15 July 2014 to 14 July 2017 equals to 3 years. Period from 15 July 2017 to 14 March 2018 equals to 8 months. Period from 15 March 2018 to 31st March 2018 equals to 31 minus 15 plus 1 equals to 17 days. Total period for which Rihanna studied in that school equals to 3 years, 8 months, 17 days.
Measurement of temperature. The level of hotness or coldness of an object is its temperature. To measure temperature, we depend upon the various temperatures of water, from melting of ice to boiling water or boiling to freezing. Hot and cold are relative terms. Cold means less hot relatively. Thermometer. The temperature of human body, atmosphere and water, etc. is measured with the help of a thermometer. Thermo means hotness and meter means measure. A thermometer consists of a very thin glass tube closed at one end with a bulb at the bottom containing mercury or any other special liquid. Within the outer glass tube is a very narrow inner tube connected to the bulb in which the liquid rises or falls as the temperature increases or decreases. In a Celsius thermometer, the temperature scale is divided into 100 equal parts called degrees, from 0 degree centigrade to 100 degree centigrade, and Fahrenheit scale into 180 equal parts, from 32 degree Fahrenheit to 212 degree Fahrenheit. 0 degree or 32 degree Fahrenheit and 100 degree centigrade or 212 degree Fahrenheit are the temperatures corresponding to the melting of ice and boiling of water. 0 degree Fahrenheit is a temperature reached dawn by a mixture of ice and salt. It is less than 32 degree Fahrenheit, freezing of water or melting of ice. Thermometers are of two types, laboratory thermometer and a clinical thermometer. Laboratory thermometer is used to measure atmospheric temperature, water temperature, etc. Clinical thermometer is used to measure the temperature of the human body. Range of scale in the two thermometers is different. Range of laboratory thermometer is 0 degree centigrade to 100 degree centigrade or 32 degree Fahrenheit to 212 degree Fahrenheit. Range of clinical thermometer is 35 degree centigrade to 42 degree centigrade or 94 degree Fahrenheit to 108 degree Fahrenheit. Approximate temperatures of some things are the following: ice cream 30 degree Fahrenheit or less than 0 degree centigrade. Hot bath water is 122 degree Fahrenheit or 50 degree centigrade. A cup of tea is 176 degree Fahrenheit or 80 degree centigrade. Cold drink 38 degree Fahrenheit or 3 degree centigrade. Hot soup 180 degree Fahrenheit or 82 degree centigrade. Boiling tea 212 degree Fahrenheit or 100 degree centigrade. Atmospheric temperature. The temperature of the atmosphere, air around us, tells us the weather conditions. 0 degrees to 10 degrees centigrade is equal to cold weather. 10 degrees centigrade to 20 degrees centigrade, cool weather. 20 degrees centigrade to 25 degrees centigrade is mild weather. 25 degrees centigrade to 30 degrees centigrade is equal to warm weather. 30 degrees centigrade to 35 degrees centigrade is equal to hot weather. 35 degrees centigrade to 40 degrees centigrade is very hot weather. And above 40 degrees centigrade, it is a scorching heat. Body temperature. The temperature of a normal healthy person is 37 degrees centigrade or 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. In case of a child, it is slightly higher. In fever, the temperature rises from the normal 37 degrees centigrade. In lower fever, it is about 38 degrees centigrade. In higher fever, it is about 39 degrees centigrade and is very high fever if it is 40 degrees centigrade or 104 degree Fahrenheit. A human being may not be alive at a body temperature below 94 degree Fahrenheit, that is 34.4 degree centigrade, and above 108 degree Fahrenheit, that is 42.2 degree centigrade. Interconversion of Celsius and Fahrenheit scale. Measure in degree Fahrenheit is equal to measure in degree centigrade into 9 by 5 plus 32. Measure in degree centigrade is equal to measure in degree Fahrenheit minus 32 into 5 by 9. Example, convert 45 degree centigrade into degree Fahrenheit. Solution, measure in Fahrenheit is equal to measure in centigrade into 9 by 5 plus 32. which is equal to 45 into 9 divided by 5 plus 32 is equal to 9 into 9 plus 32 equals to 81 plus 32 is equal to 113. Therefore, 45 degree centigrade is equal to 130 degree Fahrenheit. Example: convert 86 degree Fahrenheit into centigrade. Solution: measure in centigrade is equal to measure in Fahrenheit minus 32 into 5 by 9. Therefore, 86 minus 32 into 5 by 9 is equal to 54 into 5 by 9 is equal to 6 into 5, which is equal to 30 degree centigrade. Therefore, 86 degree Fahrenheit is equal to 30 degrees centigrade.
Hots.
Mahi was born on 15th March 2009 and her brother was born on 2nd June 2014. Who is elder and by how much? Age difference is equal to current year for Mahi minus year of birth for Mahi minus current year for brother minus year of birth for brother. Age difference is equal to 2024 minus 2009 minus 2024 minus 2014, which is equal to 15 minus 10 is equal to 5. Therefore, Mahi is 5 years older than her brother. A bus started from Lucknow at 6:30 p.m. on Sunday and reached Delhi on Monday at 8:40 a.m. Find the total time duration of time taken by bus from Lucknow to Delhi. Time taken on Sunday is equal to end of Sunday minus departure from Lucknow, which is equal to 11:59 minus 6:30 is equal to 5 hours 29 minutes. Now let us calculate the time taken on Monday. 8:40 a.m. is equal to 8 hours and 40 minutes. Total duration is equal to time taken on Sunday plus time taken on Monday. 5 hours and 29 minutes plus 8 hours 40 minutes, which is equal to 14 hours and 9 minutes. So the total time taken by the bus from Lucknow to Delhi is 14 hours and 9 minutes. An athlete runs at a speed of 5 meters per second. How much time will he take to cover a distance of 5 kilometers? We can use a formula. Time is equal to distance by speed. Distance given 5 kilometers, which is equal to 5000 meters, and speed is 5 meters per second. Therefore, time is equal to 5000 meters divided by 5 meters per second is equal to 1000 seconds. So the athlete will take 1000 seconds to cover a distance of 5 kilometers. A little girl walks at a speed of 8 meters per minute. How much time will she take to cover a distance of 1.2 kilometers? We can use the formula time is equal to distance by speed. Given distance equal to 1.2 kilometers, which is equal to 1200 meters. Speed is 8 meters per minute. Therefore, time is equal to 1200 meters divided by 8 meters per minute, which is equal to 150 minutes. So the little girl will take 150 minutes to cover a distance of 1.2 km. Ria walks at a speed of 2.5 km per hour. She takes 30 minutes to reach her school from her house. How far is her school from her house? We can use the formula distance is equal to speed into time. Given speed is equal to 2.5 km per hour. Time 30 minutes, which is equal to 0.5 hours. Therefore, distance is equal to 2.5 km per hour into 0.5 hour, which is equal to 1.25 kilometers. So, Ria's school is 1.25 km away from her house.